Hello all of you, welcome to our new video on Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to see a new function which is known as average A function in Excel. So let's see, we have a set of data, suppose 5, then here we have a text, suppose apple, then 6, then I have 7, and then I have suppose mango. So if I have to find the average A function of this, let's see, write is equal to average A bracket, select the values, so select these values and just close the bracket. Let's see what value you get 3.6. So see, if you have to find average A function, then these apple and mango values will be considered as 0 and it will be divided by 5. So in this way, 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 0, and so the total was 18. This 5 plus apple is 0, 6, 7 and mango will be 0. So you get 18, and this 18 divided by 5 values will be considered, and the answer is 3.6. If you consider only average function, the value will be like this, 18 divided by 3, so you get 6. See, this is the difference between average and average A function. See, by average you get 6, but this average A function will also consider this text as 0, and then it will also consider in the division. So in this way you can use the average A function in Excel. Thank you all of you.